Video, I'm going to explain to you what director unknown is in the YouTube traffic sources. So basically, director unknown is I direct link to your YouTube watch page. So if somebody shares your video on Messenger or on Facebook and they click on the link and it goes to your video's watch page on YouTube, that's basically what it is. It's just a direct link to your YouTube video. You know, you're not watching it on Messenger or Facebook or wherever. It actually does make it to your YouTube page or your YouTube videos page. It's different from external sources, because external sources is your videos being watched on a different website. The link that someone has shared on social media, and then somebody clicks on it and it goes to your YouTube video on YouTube. So that's basically what it is.